Hey everybody, welcome to 2-Minute Tuesday and Quick Takes with Cate. Today we look at a pair of commonly confused words, the words while and wile, two words I stumbled over as I wrote about my novel's main character. Eden is sitting on an upturned bucket on the pier, whiling away the hours. But wait, is it whiling away with an H, or is it whiling away without an H? The answer lies in the history of the two words. The phrase while away with an H dates from the early 1600s and remains current today. It means to spend time idly. While away began as a corrupt form 200 years later. You'll find that spelling in the writings of Charles Dickens. Even though dictionaries allow both spellings, Garner's modern American usage says while away is an inferior form for while away. Charles Dickens might have settled for this inferior form, but you shouldn't. The noun while means a stratagem of deceit or trickery. As a verb, it means to lure or entice. These two words are homophones, words that are pronounced the same but differ in meaning. If you have trouble keeping them straight, just think about Wile E. Coyote. How do you think he got his name? That old rascal is full of deadly schemes as he chases the roadrunner. So while both spellings are acceptable, and while my character Eden can be wily, in that particular sentence, she was whiling away the hours, W-H-I-L-E, while on the pier. For the rest of the story, go to Touryan.com/QuickTakes and check back next week for another Quick Take with Cate.